Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure bold subscriptions for recurring dropshipping offers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure bold subscriptions for recurring dropshipping offers, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section in the left-hand sidebar. In the apps page, find and select bold subscriptions. Once in bold subscriptions, click on the products tab. Here, choose the product you want to set up for recurring offers. If the product is not yet configured for subscriptions, click on the option to enable subscriptions. Next, select the subscription plan that fits your product. You can choose between different billing frequencies, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. After choosing the frequency, set the price for the subscription offering. Decide whether you want to allow customers to choose their own price or if you want to keep it fixed. Once the pricing is set, customize the subscription details. Add any necessary descriptions to inform customers about the benefits of subscribing. Once all settings are configured, click on Save to apply the changes. Return to your store and ensure that the subscription option is visible on the product. Test the subscription feature by placing a test order to confirm everything is functioning correctly. Monitor the orders regularly to ensure customers are receiving their subscriptions without issues. Adjust settings as needed based on customer feedback and sales data. Continue to promote your subscription offers through marketing strategies to enhance visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.